Welcome back to Max Make Easy. Let's continue with geometry, triangles, exercise 17b, part 1, sixth one. Here is our first question. Find the unknown angles in the given figure. This is the figure that they have given and they are asking us to find the unknown angles, that is N and M. Right here they are asking us to find these two angles. We have to find only these two angles, but for finding these two angles we need to find some more angles, like here near this D vertex you can see there is two angles are formed, right? So this one we are going to name it as D, and this angle I am going to name it as E, right? And look here children, this triangle is a isosceles triangle. Since they have marked it with two parallel lines, we can say this both lines are equal. So in isosceles triangle, I already said you, when this line and this line is equal, that means this is the unequal side. This is called as base. This is the base, and towards this base line, towards the right side and left side, there are two angles are formed. These two angles are called base angle, right? So always the base angles are equal. That means this is 35 and M will also be 35. Whatever degree is over here, it will be the same for this M. This is a rule of isosceles triangle, children. Here, since just consider this ADC, that is ADC. I am considering this triangle is a isosceles triangle, as I said, because they have marked with the two parallel lines which indicates it is an isosceles triangle, and AC is a base. This is the unequal part, unequal side. So this is called as base, and towards this base, right and left, a angle is formed. This angle and this angle. This both are base angles. Always according to this isosceles property, base angles are equal. That's why since this angle is 35 degree, M will also be 35. Hence we got the value of M. Similarly, we need to find the value of N. But for finding this N value, look here children. This, if you consider this triangle, all three are different. They didn't mention uh, any parallel lines with two. So this we cannot say that it is a isosceles or equilateral, right? So here all the three sides are different. So it comes under scalar. So we need to find the value of this part first. Then only we can find the N, right? Or for finding this value, we need to find the D value first. Since we know 35 degree and M is also 35 degree, we can easily find this angle. So now just consider ADC angle for finding the D value. First let's find the D value. Angle A plus angle D plus angle C at vertex is 180 degree. And what is A? It is 35 degree. And what is D? At D there are two angles, E and D. Since we are considering this triangle, I am just writing it as D plus C. What is C at vertex C? What is the angle? M. So angle M is equal to 180. We know M is also 35. We got it from the property, right? So 35 plus angle D plus 35 is equal to 180. Now 35 plus 35. 35 plus 35 will be 70 plus angle D is equal to 180. Since we need to find the D value, keep this D as it is and get this 70 to the other side. It becomes minus 70. 180 minus 70 will be 110. So D value, that is over this value, is 110. Now you got it. Got this angle, right? We got it is 110. For this isosceles triangle, we already got the three values. Now, look here children, this is a straight line, right? Do you know the angle of a straight line? It's 180. right? You should just keep on watching this diagram carefully and think which angle you can find it out from the value which we got, right? So this is a straight line and we know the one angle value. So it is very easy to find the other angle. We all know that angle of a straight line is equal to 180. Here, this part I have considered as E. This part I have considered as E. So for this straight line, if you add E plus 110, that is D. We have mentioned this as D previously. So E plus D is equal to 180 degree. What is E? Don't know. We have to find the value. And what is D? It is 110. So 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Since we need to find the E value, get this 110 to the other side. It becomes minus 110. When you subtract it, what you get is 70 degree. So E value, here this value is 70. See children, now we got at vertex A we got an angle that is 60. Even at angle vertex D we got an angle E value. Now we need to find just N value. It is very easy to find. Now consider this triangle ABD. Now consider this triangle, then vertex, just add vertex A, B and C. Just add those three angles. What is A? It is 60. Just replace A with 60. And what is B? N. Just write down N. At D, at vertex D, I have divided into two angles because two angles are formed. Since we are considering ABD, this triangle, just consider E angle. So replace D with angle E. Now we know what is E value. We got it as 70. Just replace angle E with 70. Now 60 plus 70. 60 plus 70 will be 130 degree. And now since we need to find the N value, get this 130 to the other side. It becomes minus 130. 180 minus 130 will be 50 degree. So angle N is 50 degree and angle M is 35 degree. Hence we have found out the unknown angles from this picture. I hope you understood the solution clearly. If you have any doubts, just ask me in the comment section. I will surely help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell button. Check the description box for more problems on triangles. Stay tuned to Max Made Easy.